good Sunday morning to you. If you watched my previous video on this bike, you now know that I am sitting on top of brand new Michelin Pilot Powers. The Pilot Power is probably my all-time favorite tire for up here. This is not the Pilot Power 2CT. On curves like this, it just destroys the 2CT. I get it if you live in a city. The Pilot Power 2CT is probably great for you. But in my neighborhood, we only get about 800 miles and the edges of the tires are done. This is the first set of Michelins that this bike has had on it. And they feel amazing. I used to love the Pilot Powers on my 848. And this monster is a lot like the 848. I do believe the statement that every new tire feels good on a motorcycle. If you're putting a matching set of tires on your motorcycle and they're brand new, even Shinkos feel good. But these Pilot Powers, they just feel a whole different level of sticky underneath me. And I love the Dunlop Road Sport 2s. I love that tire, but it's getting hard to find. When I saw that Amazon had these Pilot Powers for under $300 a set, I had to jump on it. Don't get me wrong, I can remember when I was selling this set of tires for $200 installed, so the price is still pretty high. But what is it these days? The Democrats just ruined this planet. know how that place stays open. I'll give you a weather update. Yesterday and today were amazing. Friday was terrible, and the rest of this week, starting tonight about 8 p.m., it's just going to be nasty, cold, blizzard-like weather. And then after that, it's going to be springtime in the mountains. So I'm hoping I get to see y'all up here this year. I think we're hitting church traffic. Alright, I'm going to click off. If you have the opportunity to ride on the Michelin Pilot Powers, give them a try. There's still a couple left out on Amazon.